Republic is an interactive theatrical gaming experience. It's taking people out of the computer and into a fully designed world. The Republic will be in an 18,000 square foot warehouse in downtown Orlando. There's going to be at least 25 fully designed spaces within the warehouse, and we are going to theme out everything. So it is a maze, and you will get lost, you'll be confused, but you'll be guided by the other performers and the other players within it. So there are 30 different players, and each of them has their own distinct role in society, and that's going to be one of you. And then there's also 12 performers who are going to help guide you through the experience and make the world as rich as possible.
We're currently rehearsing with our incredible performers to develop their roles and prepare them to interact with the players throughout the experience.
Everything about the story is really about you. You get to sort of drive everything that happens. There's story branching, there's moments that every decision that you make affects not only you as a character, but all the other characters within this. We're really trying to push the boundaries of interactive theater and pushing people forward into sort of out of their comfort zone. You don't know what's going to happen to you. People are going to be watching you. People will touch you. People will completely interact with you. You might be kidnapped. We want people to not only make decisions in this world, but also, I guess, physically push themselves. You have a very specific role to play in this world that we've created. And based on this, you are going to interact with each other, and there's different gaming elements, and you are going to become fully integrated into this world. The story is inspired by Greek mythology and Metropolis and Plato's Republic. So we took all these three separate elements and we actually started really picking out the most interesting aspects for ourselves and putting them together to help actually formulate one new world, one new society. The Minotaur and Medusa are examples of characters that we're pulling from Greek mythology. And while they're not going to be the complete take on what you believe to be as the Greek myth, we're actually taking them and we're really transforming them and bringing them forward and to actually integrate them into these other worlds. We're really lucky to have on board Eric Garcia and David O'Connell, who are actually helping us bring the Minotaur and Medusa to life by creating sort of prosthetic masks for them. You might know Eric and David from the sci-fi show Face Off. So I'm really excited to have them be part of this team.
Our team is composed of attraction designers and engineers from the world's leading theme parks.
We have people from many different backgrounds. We have artists, we have designers, we have engineers, we have writers.
My name is Phil Burgos and I'm the engineer for the Republic. The Republic is set in a dynamic space that encourages the players to interact and engage with the environment. There will be moving elements and special effects to further enhance the player's experience. I'm really excited to work on the Republic because this gives me a chance to utilize my skills in a way I haven't been able to before.
Not only is the space completely designed and immersive, it's actually also going to have special effects elements as well, or other moving elements. So the world might change as you experience it.
I'm Ricky Briganti of popular theme park news website InsideTheMagic.net, and as sound designer of the Republic, I'm going to be working closely with Hollywood composer Greg Nicolette to create the soundscape that players will be hearing as they engage with this experience. We're creating an original score that will help immerse you into this society.
We are well into the design phase, and starting April 1st, we're going to be moving into our warehouse. To make this project happen, we really need your support. Your contributions will go to props, control systems, costumes, speakers, lumber, lighting, makeup, including masks for prosthetics, fund our musical score production, and cover many other costs. For your contribution, you can select from many different Kickstarter rewards. The rewards include many unique experiences that you would not otherwise be able to get, such as behind the scenes with the designers, or even having dinner with some of us. Thank you for backing the Republic. We are looking forward to you becoming one of our players in May.